So back here at Tri-Tool Technologies, we're introducing a new product line. It'll be the Surefires. Surefires are for thin wall applications. We'll have a Surefire 4, and this will do from 2-inch to 4-inch on schedule 5 and 10 pipe. Then the Surefire 8, it'll range from 3-inch to 8-inch in schedule 5 and 10 pipe. So both of the Surefires will be available in 110 or 220 electric drive. Also talking about the full support pads, this makes the ease of setup for self-centering, self-squaring, and with the radius pads, you'll have the full contact and it'll take out the ovality on your out-round tube or pipe. With the full support pads, there'll only be a single bolt to change out your pad, so that makes them quick change. 3 bolts, easy as it goes, you can change sizes. So both the Surefire 4 and the Surefire 8 are mainly made out of aircraft aluminum, which makes them lightweight, easy to handle. They also have dual tapered Timken bearings for stability. Both the machines will come with a 3-year warranty, rated best in class. Now we're gonna go ahead and we have our Surefire 4 already in a piece of tube pipe. We're gonna go ahead and put the 8 in a piece of 8-inch Schedule 10 stainless steel. As I install it, you'll notice as it rounds up, it'll round up your pipe, find itself square, and now we're contacting all the way around for full support and for your ovality. So you notice on the mandrel, it has dual torque keys on the sides that accepts the torque load for your cutting. Now that we're getting our machine installed on the mandrel here, as we feed it in, we'll get it close up to the piece of tube. And then we can go ahead and tighten with our wrench for the torque keys. And you'll see that's what takes up and absorbs the torque of the machine. Now we're ready to cut. All right, with the electric ebb and stock motor and also the Metabo on the Surefire 4, we have torque control on one dial here. And we have RPM control on the opposite side with a dial. That's how you can control your speed. We'll go ahead and get started. What we'd like to make sure, be aware of is that now we have our housekeeping kind of cleaned up, so we can make sure we can get to our power source to de-energize. Let's go ahead and make a cut. So now we're done with our 8-inch Schedule 10 stainless with the Surefire 8. We'll go ahead and de-energize it for safety. I'll walk over here to the Surefire 4. We'll go ahead and put a prep on that, just facing it back on the 4-inch Schedule 10 stainless. Hey, we're back here with the Surefire 4 after we finished our 8-inch machine. I'm going to show you where the speed control is here on this Metabo motor, available in 110 and 220. It also has a gearbox for a high and low speed that can be changed. We're gonna go ahead and just face back and put a flat face finish square on this 4-inch Schedule 10 stainless. Completed with our nice square end. Only took a couple revolutions. This is the new Surefire.